Hello everyone. Welcome back to Heaven Tree Plants, where we explore the joy of growing green, one step at a time. Today's video is something many of you have been asking for: how to start a rooftop garden from scratch. If you've ever stood on your empty rooftop and thought, what if I turned this into a beautiful green space? Then you're in the right place. Rooftop gardening is more than a trend. It's a smart and satisfying way to grow your own food, reduce home temperature, use unused space, connect with nature, add beauty to your home. Even in the middle of a crowded city, your roof can become your personal paradise. So why should you start a rooftop garden? Number 1, you get fresh organic food. Number 2, it cools down your building. Number 3, it improves your mental health. Number 4, it helps clean the air. And number 5, it gives you a place to relax. Now, before we dive into how to start, ask yourself, is your roof accessible? Is it strong enough? Does it get at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight? Do you have a water source nearby? If the answer is yes, then you're ready. Let's begin step by step. Step 1, check the structure of your rooftop. Is it safe to hold soil, pots, and water? If you're not sure, consult a civil engineer. Safety always comes first. Step 2, waterproofing. Before putting anything on your roof, protect the surface. Use waterproof paint, plastic sheets, or special membranes. This will prevent any leakage into your rooms. Step 3, planning the layout. Sketch out your rooftop. Where does sunlight fall? Where will you keep big pots? Leave walking space in between. Step 4, choose your containers. Options include plastic pots, light and cheap; clay pots, natural and breathable; grow bags, flexible and perfect for vegetables; wooden crates or raised beds, for large or deep-rooted plants. Make sure every container has a drainage hole to prevent root rot. Step 5, use lightweight soil mix. Don't use only garden soil, it's heavy and poor in drainage. Instead, mix 40% coco peat, 30% compost, 30% sand or light garden soil. This makes the soil airy and healthy for plants. Let's talk about the best soil mix for your rooftop garden. You need a mix that is lightweight, rich in nutrients, drains well. Mix together 1 part garden soil, 1 part compost, 1 part coco peat or sand. Now, let's choose some plants. Start with leafy vegetables like spinach, coriander, and lettuce. Fruiting vegetables like tomato, chili, okra, and brinjal. Herbs like basil, mint, and lemongrass. Flowers like marigold, hibiscus, and periwinkle. Grow what you love to eat or see. Sunlight is very important. Most veggies need 6 to 8 hours of full sun. Leafy greens can survive with a little shade. Let's move on to watering. Water early in the morning or in the evening. Always check the soil before watering, stick your finger in. If the top inch is dry, it's time to water. You can also install drip irrigation to save time and water. Mulch the top of the soil with dry leaves or straw to prevent moisture loss. Great plants need great nutrition, and compost is the best. Make your own compost at home, collect fruit peels, veggie scraps, tea leaves. Add dry leaves or shredded newspaper. Keep them in a compost bin. Turn the mixture every 3 days. Keep it moist, not wet. In about 30 to 40 days, you'll get rich black compost. Now fertilize your plants every 2 to 3 weeks using vermicompost, mustard cake water, banana peel compost, bone meal or neem cake. Always water after applying fertilizer. Now, let's protect our plants from pests, without chemicals. Use neem oil spray, mix 5 milliliters of neem oil in 1 liter of water. Spray on leaves every 10 days. You can also make a garlic chili spray for stronger protection. Grow companion plants like marigold or tulsi, they repel bugs naturally. Clean leaves regularly, and check the bottom of leaves for eggs or insects. Let's turn your garden into a peaceful retreat. Add a small bench or chair. Hanging pots on railings. Vertical planters to save space. Fairy lights or solar lights for evening magic. Now, a few safety tips: avoid putting heavy pots near the edge. Install strong railings. Keep the floor clean and non-slippery. Store tools safely. Set a simple routine: water daily or every other day. Fertilize every 2 to 3 weeks. Check for pests once a week. Spending just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough to keep your rooftop garden alive and happy. Final thoughts: starting a rooftop garden doesn't need big money or big space. Just start with 2 or 3 pots. Watch them grow. Your confidence will grow with them. Thank you for watching Heaven Tree Plants. If you enjoyed this step-by-step guide, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, happy gardening.